Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious pizza without an oven. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the main video. On my bowl, I'll be adding 1.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. So that is all for the dry ingredients. So I'll mix all the dry ingredients together. Make a hole at the middle. And I'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix that together and add half cup of warm water. I'll be adding it bit by bit. So I'm done adding in the warm water. I'll knead it until it is soft. You can see how soft it is. I'll rub in a little bit of oil in my pan, put it in there, cover it and allow it to rise. So I'm going to be preparing my top, what I'll use as the pizza topper. This is my chicken breast. I'll season it with salt, thyme, curry, paprika and seasoning cube. So I'll rub all the ingredients in and make sure everything coats very well. I'll put a little bit of groundnut oil to enable the spices penetrate inside the chicken well. So the next thing is for me to fry. I'm not going to add any vegetable oil on my pot. You can see it is chicken breast, so it's easily to cook through. And it is done. I'll be bringing it out and prep the other things. So here is my cheese. I'll be grating it out. Here is everything I'm going to be using as the topper. I have sausage, cheese, the chicken, green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So I'll bring in back my dough. So I'll be adding in flour. I use semo as my own. You can use corn flour or you use flour on the pot. Then I'll spread the dough. So I'm done spreading it. I'll use fork to poke a hole inside. I'm doing this without frame under it. After poking the hole, I'll on the frame for some seconds before putting in the toppers. So here is my, I'm using ketchup. You can as well do your own by frying your tomato and pepper, but here I'm using ketchup and dry pepper because I like pepper in my pizza, so I add a little bit of chili pepper. So I'll rub it around the pizza dough. Then I'll start adding in the topper one by one. So I've added the chicken, sausage, cheese, the green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So I'll continue adding it until I'm done and the top is looking beautiful. If you have watched to this extent, that shows you like this video. Please hit the like button, and if you are here, you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to cover it to cook. That hole there, you can see I use something to block it so that the heat cannot come out. So and here we are done. My pizza is ready. Very simple to make. This is so yummy. I love it so much. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for clicking on my video whenever it pops up. Thank you for the love. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique DJ Space. Thank you all. Please like, share, comment, and turn on the bell notification if you haven't to get notified whenever I post a new video. You can see how beautiful it is. There's no difference between the one you will buy and the one that you make. So try and make it by yourself and enjoy it with your family and friends. See you in my next one. Bye.